Who's introducing it?
Do you want to do it? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? It has been a while since I've been on Shannon's channel. Thanks for having me back.
You're welcome.
Today we're doing the most stupidest thing ever. I don't know if you guys ever remembered back in the day, but I ate this roulette piece of pizza and my nose started bleeding.
I'm really hoping you get a nosebleed.
Yeah, I know you are. We're going to try some of these. Some of these are sauces.
Yeah.
And some of these are...
seasoning. We'll probably just try the hot sauces.
We got gifted this for Christmas and we haven't done anything with it yet. So we thought, why not do a video?
And we've got these. I think we've got like 9 bites each, so we'll just try to do like a different sauce on each one.
Does this remind anyone else of Roswell? I don't know if you guys used to watch it back in the day. Yeah, we should.
I don't like alien things.
But it's real anyway. So we're gonna see how hot it gets.
And I've also asked you guys to ask us some questions, so we'll see how we go. We might answer a few questions while we're going through as well. Let's get started. Are you ready?
Cool, that sounds good. We're just gonna try and gauge this by the name, which is stupid.
It's gonna be a fail if none of these are spicy.
So this is the first one we will try. Can you guys see? Oh, this is all inverted. You've got to cover your face. Okay.
You're gonna start with a drummy or a wing?
Yeah.
Napkins.
Yeah, that'll probably help. Can you get me some... Do we have any milk or anything? Here he comes, look who's down here. Oi.
I deal with this every time, Mama.
So this is our first one, salsa...
Cliente? I don't know how to say
Nice.
that.
Let's see how hot the first one is.
Cheers. Oh no, that's yum.
Mm.
That tastes like Burger King,
Yeah.
the Burger King, what is that, like the smoky barbecue?
That's not even bad.
That's not spicy.
That's not spicy at all.
Fail.
The next one we're going to do is bourbon pepper sauce, which is sounds like the next sort of...
It'll probably still be not spicy.
Hide behind something, quick. That's it there, you guys got that? It's going to go everywhere, that's all.
Simba.
Okay.
Oh, I hate it.
What?
That's so gross.
That's not a hot sauce either.
No.
Okay, look, we're just trying to make this video longer for you guys by not...
This one
having
says hot and
sauce.
spicy. This is
We
the
got-
last one that's not labelled like hot sauce, but it's called hot and spicy.
Oh, every time. That is the next sauce. This one better be a little bit hot because...
What says hot and spicy? It's got 2
Yeah,
spice
but
words in
that's...
it.
I feel like that's kind of like a cop... Oh, it's thick. Dig, the whole thing dumps onto your wing.
Dude, you're being a little bitch.
Here, get it out. It's so thick right now. Careful! Shannon!
Wow.
Right now, like, I started off with thinking, oh god, I hope nothing's hot and spicy, but right now I'm like, come on. This is all so weak. Next one, here we go.
Alright.
Hot and spicy. Good luck.
Okay, that's spicy.
Not really though.
Put on more. Show them what you've done.
The whole thing's covered. Do you want more?
As if.
You want more?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, go quick, go, I don't know. My bad.
It went all over my pants. How do you not find that? Even I find that spicy and I've got a way higher tolerance than you.
Do you find that spicy? Out of 10 then?
5?
5? Okay.
It's definitely spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it not spicy for me? Maybe
It's weird.
That's odd.
It's
Okay.
good though.
That is good.
It's good.
We're actually trying hot sauces now. Those first 3, let's be honest, had to start easy. Had to take it easy.
Let's start with smoking chipotle hot sauce.
This better be... I need this to kick my ass. Did we show them it? We didn't. Oh god. Yeah. Okay, this is... Yeah, that's orange. That looks nuclear. Now we're getting into the real stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Mm. Oh yeah.
Yeah. That tastes disgusting, by the way. That was gross. Do you like that?
It's getting worse.
Well, that's better than the other 3. Shit, that's hot.
So people want to know, how long did Hamish plan to propose before he did it?
What do you mean?
How long did you prepare to propose before you did it?
You're drinking avocado. Classy. I like it. Well, I planned it like before November last year, and then we went away like this year, and what month was it?
Was it like, I don't even know, this is bad, March or so?
January, February, March, maybe. Cool, that's hot. So we went away in March. I got the ring finished in November, and probably about 5 months before that, 6 months before that, when I was like, yeah, let's do it now.
Shit.
Yeah, but I think the scary...
So almost a year, really.
That's another time my nose bled. Remember?
Hamish got a nosebleed after he proposed.
Not instantly, but when we got back, what happened is I proposed outside. Shannon's like, oh, yeah, yes. And then we went inside and I was like, I'm feeling really chill right now. And then boom, my nose started bleeding. And I was like, I just must have been so stressed
I think
without realising it.
Yeah.
But to be fair, the whole time we were walking around for like a week and a half, I had this like expensive ring in my pocket. And Shannon was putting her camera into my jacket pocket and like pulling it out sometimes. And I just kept forgetting that you were going into where the ring was.
It made sense like in hindsight because he was acting strange, but at the time I had no idea and didn't even like think anything of it. Like he just would say things like, oh, have you got your camera? I don't have it. Like panicking a little bit. I'm like, yeah, I've got my camera. And he's like, okay.
Yeah.
Like, and I was just like, chill out.
That was hot.
I take back, okay, so my 5, I now make that a 3. That's a 5.
Yeah.
That's my new standard.
Like, you know, that doesn't look like the hottest one, so I can't just go to a 10 now. Where am I going to go after that? I feel like that has to be at least 7. For me, that was kind of hot though. What? No, you got to keep it red. Are we going green already?
Okay, well this one says Diablo and I feel like that means devil.
Nah, yeah, good point. Let's, yeah.
This is the
jalapeno hot sauce.
Jalapeno hot sauce.
It's green. I don't like, what are they called? Jalapenos. I hate them. This one's watery. I can already... Shannon! You're tipping it around.
That's enough.
Oh, wow.
Okay, that's enough. Stop.
Really?
That's so much.
Well, we're not here for a little amount. I don't know if they can see how much is on there.
Nah, because it looks clear. I like that.
It's not as hot as the last one.
No.
Nowhere near as hot as the last one.
Going back down to what? 4?
Oh, it's hot when you do that. Just a little bit, like a little shot. Huh? Mm-hmm. On the food, I'm going with a 6. No, I'm going with a 5.
That's a 4.
I feel like your rating's all screwed because you started off with that high one. But when you shot it, it's a definite 7. I'd hate to shot that other one.
Would you shot that with vodka? They get you fucked up.
Why would I shot that with vodka?
I don't know. Are you ready for the next question?
Mm-hmm.
When will you start building your dream home?
Oh, who knows right now? We're fixing up a beach house, and I'm telling you now that
it's stressful.
It's stress central.
For those of you who don't know, my throat's giving out on me now from the hot sauce. But we bought our dream piece of land, and it's just kind of like chilling like a villain.
Just chilling.
So we're just waiting until we've not got so much else on in our life before we start building. But hopefully in the next like couple of years we'll begin the process. But I'll definitely vlog that because it'll be a fun thing to vlog.
Yeah, we will. We'll try and do it all properly because it'll be close to where we are. We haven't really been able to do that with the beach house.
Yeah, like vlog it properly because it's like 5 hours away. Diablo.
Diablo.
I'm sure that means devil, doesn't it?
Whatever it means it's hot.
My throat.
Oh.
There is no clean way to do this. Okay, come on.
Isn't it? Especially when we were trying to get the goods on camera for you.
Yeah, we're trying to like do it on camera and it's...
Yeah, okay, that's proper. I feel like I'm not half-assing that.
Alright, mine's dripping down the side. Okay.
I feel like we've failed at this. That's not very hot.
That's not very... I thought the first one was the spiciest. What's not the first one?
I reckon bloody Tim, who's been putting the labels on these, has been putting them on the wrong ones.
The smoke and chipotle was different. No, that is getting a bit spicy now though.
Not really though. I might not die. Why aren't I dying, you know?
Yeah.
Like with a name like Diablo hot sauce, you expect what's up.
Do sriracha first.
Is that meant to be hot?
Sriracha is pretty hot. It's not like ridiculous, but we'll do it because I'm running out of hot sauce options.
Where's my face? There, we got it. No? Wait. Oh god, this is hard. Oh my god! Here we are. We have this sauce as our next one. This was exhausting to get this on camera for you, so appreciate it. Alright, Shannon. The expired best before. You ready for this?
Yeah.
The 2nd of the 11th, 2018. Wow. Oh, we're good. It doesn't smell off. Come on, that doesn't smell. It just smells yuck. Oh, ready? Let's go.
If not spicy.
I think we need to redo this with spicy sauces. That's not spicy. Maybe it's because it's expired.
Flavor, not fire.
This is the next one we're trying. This one here.
What are our favourite things to do with each other?
We like to go out to dinner. And we like to go to the beach house and chill there and do stuff like that. So that's pretty cool.
We like to game together, gym together.
This one is going to be hot, I'm hoping. We're going to put on a lot because I'm honestly sick of this. Please be hot.
I love the flavour of Tabasco though.
Why is nothing killing me? This is crazy. Is that hot for you?
I can definitely feel it. Can you not feel it?
What? Maybe I'm a new person. We have made it to the last hot sauce without everything being too hot. It's warm, but it's not killing me. I need something that's going to kill me. Let's hope that this provides the goods. Habanero hot Tabasco.
Habanero hot. You sound like those guys off South Park.
My mouth is warm now, but it's, yeah, it's getting warm.
I haven't tried this flavour of Tabasco before. I love Tabasco on pizza. It's the best.
The only thing with hot stuff is I don't understand you people that like it because my mouth just tastes like nothing. All I can taste is heat. I don't know why you guys do it.
I think when you're used to it, it has more flavour, but if you're not used to spicy food and you eat spicy food, you can't taste anything. Whereas like I get used to spiciness and then I can taste the flavours better.
We're going all out on this one, fam. You can see that one, hopefully. We're not here for fun. We're here to get absolutely destroyed. You're alright. Well, the rest have been not so amazing. Ready? Mm-hmm. Good luck. Thoughts? What?
Eh?
We're gonna have to redo this. You guys need to send us some real hot sauces. Because what? We did 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't get me wrong, it's hot.
It's hot, but
it's not like killing me.
yeah, there should be blood.
Well, this one's getting a bit worse.
Yeah, it's getting warmer. But there should be blood coming out the nose. Tears, sweat. There's none of that. There's none of that at all. What do you give that? 6, maybe.
8.
8? Don't you think that one in that icing was really hot? Was hot?
This is getting worse.
Okay. Yeah, this is a bit warm, eh?
The almond milk helps a lot, by the way.
Yeah, it does, eh?
How does Hamish react to people being assholes and leaving you nasty comments?
It is hot, eh? Is it getting warm? It's still not hot. So when people are assholes, who cares? I mean, not who cares, but we've been like around it for how many years now?
Like 9 years.
Too many years. And if someone's not going to like you, they're not going to like you. And who cares what they say, really?
Hamish is a very...
but why does it matter?
Hamish is a very, what's the... Like, you look at things as at surface value, you don't read into it too much. Like, if someone leaves a nasty comment, he's just like, who cares? Like...
I think it was, like, if it was your friend or someone you liked a lot and they said stuff like that, that's a bit different.
Yeah, but
it's
strangers.
just random,
yeah.
I'm like, that could be a kid that's just getting hot, by the way. Shut! It's getting warm, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Could just be someone young, could be someone who's really angry and having a bad day, so just ignore it, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna answer the last one. What is the last pic you sent him?
Oh, here we go.
I can't show that one. That one's a sneak peek for the new palace. I
Yeah,
can't show
it's
that.
not...
Well, the others are like screenshots. Screenshots don't count. That's the last one.
Here's the last one I sent to you. We're going back now. We're going back. Oh, it's a picture of Zeus.
Yeah, that's a cute photo.
How do I...
Oh. Yeah, I bet you guys were like thinking it was going to be something saucy, but...
Nah, it wasn't, not that great. But the last photo, no, I don't think there is a last photo of me.
You don't selfie.
No.
I don't know if this was that fun to watch.
Not really. We failed. We thought it was hot.
I thought they were going to be like super hot. It's like hot sauce, Diablo hot sauce.
Yeah. Everything sounds very spicy and hot. Tabasco looks hot. I don't know.
My mouth definitely hurts, but it's just not as full on as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like I would never be able to function, and I can function.
That's what to be honest, don't like hot stuff, but that's what I was hoping for, the non-function sort of stuff. So maybe we'll redo this with hot
Maybe.
sauce. Why not?
If you guys want to see it, thumbs up this video and comment below. And I will link in the down bar our like past challenges we've done together, like our Hell's Pizza one and some other food challenges we've done in the past.
That was hot.
Yeah, that was hot.
But maybe we could do some more. Who knows? What sort of stuff do we like?
Do you guys want us to do like a full-on mukbang or something? Like, we've always been requested to do that.
Challenge or mukbang's just eating though.
Yeah.
What?
People love it.
Why do you guys love that, by the way? I don't really understand. Like, I watch people do it sometimes when they do the like go through the drive-thru and order the person's meal in front of them.
Yeah.
I enjoy that.
Yeah.
But
we could do that.
Well, we could. God, so much disappointment involved. I can tell already.
I'd be like gearing myself up to get takeaways, like McDonald's, and knowing how like we'd go through and the person in front of us would order like a cheeseburger, and that's it, and we'd be like
splitting it into like quarters.
Literally, that would happen to us.
Yeah.
You know, people like go through and they get like the family pack with like 18 burgers. They would never happen.
Real
for
talk,
us.
eh?
Yeah.
If that family pack, if I went to order and I got it, I'd go out the window and just be like, yes. Thanks for having me.
It's alright. I'm sorry I didn't make your nose bleed today.
Not good enough. Next time.
Alright guys, we'll talk to you guys in my next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.